Okay, so we have, oops. Okay, Meredith here is going to do the cinnamon challenge. We've got some water right there. Okay, there's tablespoons of cinnamon, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Remember, tip it back, like in the back of your throat. You lose. It's going on YouTube.
Oh my god!
That's